splash of arrogance.
I am the biggest and strongest animal in the jungle. I can do anything by myself.
Eli the elephant was proud of his strength and size. He thought he didn't need help from anyone and liked doing everything on his own. One hot day, Eli saw some juicy, green leaves on the other side of the river.
I'll cross the river and eat those delicious leaves. It will be easy for someone as strong as me.
He walked toward an old, narrow bridge over the rushing river.
Eli, wait! That bridge is weak, and it might not hold you.
Don't worry, Maya. I'm strong enough to cross it. I don't need help.
Eli stepped onto the bridge. As he walked, it creaked loudly, but he kept going. Halfway across, the bridge started to crack.
What's happening? This bridge should hold me.
Before Eli could reach the other side, the bridge broke. He fell into the river below.
Help! The water is too strong. I can't swim.
The river carried Eli away. And Mia quickly jumped from her tree, following him.
Hold on, Eli. I'll get help.
Mia swung through the jungle and called out to her friends.
Fred, Rick, come quickly. Eli is in trouble.
The friends worked together, finding vines and sticks to make a strong rope.
Eli, grab this with your trunk.
Eli caught the rope with his trunk. And his friends pulled as hard as they could until they safely got him to the riverbank.
Thank you. I didn't realize the river was so dangerous.
That's what friends are for. We're glad you're safe.
Once Eli was back on land, he shook off the water and turned to his friends.
I thought I could do everything alone, but I was wrong.
Even the strongest animals need help sometimes, Eli.
You're right. From now on, I'll always accept help and offer it too.
From that day, Eli spent more time with his friends. One morning, the animals found a big log blocking their path.
Ugh, this log is too heavy for us to move.
Let me help.
With Eli's strength and his friends' support, they quickly cleared the path.
See? Teamwork makes everything easier.
That's true. Together, we can do so much more.
If you enjoyed this story about friendship and teamwork, you'll love our next adventure, Fair or Not Fair, where James the deer learns an important lesson about trust when he helps Phil the tiger. Will his kindness be rewarded, or will he regret his decision? Find out in our next exciting story.